Welcome back. I am so excited to share 5 new features in Zoom that you are going to want to know about and use in 2022 with your online facilitation. My name is Patricia Regier with Regier Educational Services. So let's turn an audience into participants, and these 5 new features are going to help. Now, number 5 is the Vanishing Pen. So this is a new annotation feature. It's great if you are going through points on a slide deck and you can point to it, or you're going through a document and you can underline things and it goes away. So this is a great new feature, little detail that can make a difference. Number 4 is the focus feature. So what this does is it pushes out the speaker's video and what they're sharing, any videos they're sharing, the slide deck they're sharing, and people can't see themselves. Other people can't see them either. So it's pushing out little, sort of that next level from the highlight to pushing out so people aren't being distracted by other people or themselves. So that's the focus feature. Number 3 is advanced polls and quizzes. This is fantastic. You can have fill in the blanks, matching answers. I'll show them here, some of the different options. You want to activate these features in your Zoom profile, in your account, and you want to make sure that everyone has their Zoom account updated. Whether they have a free account or paid account, they need to also have it updated. When people come through on the browser and not the app, not all the features are always available to them. And if they have an older version of Zoom, it's not all available either. So I'll link all the videos of some additional bonus aspects, and even how to set up polls, how to set up your meeting. I'll link all those videos as well, so you can explore that further. And you can also send out the how to update video to your participants. Number 2, meeting survey. So I just tested this out, it works. And what popped up on a participant computer that it didn't recognize that it was me, I couldn't trick it. So if you're trying to test this out yourself, it might be trickier to test it out. But I went through on a different browser, so I was able to see that it did pop up the final survey question. I just had one, your experience today between 0, bad, to 10, excellent. And you can always have a long answers and any comments, but when a survey pops up immediately, then you'll get the results as well. And I will follow up to see where does that information go as well, and add that here. And number 1, presentation slide control. So you're not having to say next slide, please. Even if someone else, you might have a collaborative slide deck and you've uploaded it and or you shared through Zoom, you can pass it to the next person to do that segment, and they can click through and then you can take it back. It is just brilliant to have this additional option. So Zoom just keeps getting better and better. Thanks for checking out these 5 new features you definitely want to know about in 2022. And I'll just highlight a few bonus options as well. Remember, there's that away cup. Recommend people use that. They're stepping away. They might be, helping children, going to the door if they're working from home, so that you don't call on them. You can share screens to breakout rooms. I'll link that video as well to remind you about that fantastic feature. And immersive view, that's a fun additional thing, especially if you're interviewing someone or just to switch it up and explore Zoom apps. We'll do more about that in the future too. But definitely make sure everyone has updated. I'll link that video as to how to update. Thanks for checking out this video. If it's helpful to you, I would love to hear your comments. Like it, share it with others, that other facilitators or teachers or leaders that use Zoom meetings, and help them add some different variety keep making it engaging, and turn your audience into participants. Thanks for checking this out. And until next time, I hope you have some light bulb learning moments.